Space & Case gift with purchase for summer 2020 is here, launching on June 10th, and the edit is titled Summer Refresh. It is worth more than £300 and is yours free if you purchase for £175 or more on the Space & Case website. There are 31 products in this set, including new products and bestsellers. The set will be available until stocks last. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the set with me. This channel is too paltry to receive any PR samples. If you're here for sizes and prices and maybe a few shopping suggestions, you're in the right place. But if you're here to see the products themselves in this set, I'm afraid this channel is too small. Maybe somewhere much bigger is better. And where to buy this gift with purchase, I will link in the description box below. It is an affiliate link, so if you shop, I get a small, very small commission at no extra cost to you. Space & Case ships worldwide. However, owing to the coronavirus, there may be restrictions to certain countries. There is a list. I will link that in the description box below as well, so you can check. This list changes practically every day, depending on Royal Mail advice. And I think they haven't quite updated it according to Royal Mail advice, because Royal Mail, I think, now ships pretty much everywhere. Now, this is an image of the gift with purchase. That is what you get free when you buy for £175 or more across Space & Case. As I told you, I don't have the GWP with me. All I have is this image. PR sends me images and information, but no product. Too paltry a channel, this. Right, I'll tell you what is inside this set first, and then we'll do a few shopping suggestions. Off we go. Algenist Genius Collagen Calming Relief 8ml. Briogeo Farewell Frizz Leave-In Conditioning Spray 3/4 ounce. By Terrybly Mini Mascara. Chanticaille Rose de Mai Face Cream 5ml. Darphin Intral Redness Relief Soothing Serum 5ml. Dr. Dennis Gross B3 Adaptive Superfoods Stress Rescue Super Serum 7ml. Drunk Elephant Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser 30ml. Emma Hardie Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream 20ml. Goldfaden Vital Boost 7ml. IGK Beach Club Deluxe 35ml. Kate Somerville Liquid Exfolikate Triple Acid Resurfacing Treatment 30ml. That is not full size. It is 120ml the full size and costs £50. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Serum 4ml. Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base 2.8 grams. Omorovicza Moor Cream Cleanser 30ml. Not full size there. Patchology Hydrate Flashmasque. You get one mask, single mask. Ren Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30, 10ml. Ven Effect Pore Minimizing Cleanser 15ml. Eve Long Cleanser and Cloth 20ml. Right, yeah, I'll talk about it in a minute. Ultra Sun Face SPF 57ml. Sicily Black Rose Mask 10ml. Sunday Riley CEO Cream 15ml. Arborian CC Cream in the shade Door 55ml. Sorry, not 50ml, 5ml. Naturabisa Diamond Extreme Eye 2ml. Kudali Vino Perfect Dark Spot Correcting Moisturizer 15ml. Clean Reserve Radiant Nectar 5ml. Verso Super Facial Serum 10ml. Augustinus Beta the Cream 7ml. And Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel 7.5ml. I will have a full list of all these products in the description box below. So yeah, if you can't be asked to watch, go read. Or if you missed something, go read. Now, international customers will not receive the IGK Beach Club or the Clean Reserve Radiant Nectar. Instead, they will receive the Dr. Barbara Sturm Sun Drops and the IGK Hair Balm. I know, Eve Long. I know, that cleanser, Eve Long. I think that every gift with purchase beauty box advent calendar from 2016 or so has featured the Eve Long cleanser. And I'm pretty sure that those of us who've been shopping during gifts with purchase, or those of us who are beauty box fans, or those of us who are advent calendar lovers, must have at least 10 or a dozen, if not 20 or 25, of the Eve Long cleanser in our stashes. On the bright side, there is no Omorovicza Queen of Hungary mist. Actually, that's a great product, but it's everywhere. So yeah, I think I personally have enough to irrigate a small farm, so for a year. but I love the mist, so I will be using it. But yeah, it's not there. Instead, you get the Moor cream cleanser, which is another product that I really like. Now, I like that there are certain inclusions in here that are, I wouldn't say new, but you know, that we haven't seen before from Space NK Gifts with Purchase. The Drunk Elephant Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser is one of them. That's a, you know, that's something that I'd like to have more and more in my stash. I'm also glad that the Ven Effect is a cleanser this time and not, you know, serum or a lip treatment product. The Nars is not a mini orgasm. It is the smudge proof eyeshadow base. Good. I'm looking forward to trying that one out if I decide to get this gift for purchase. So overall, I see this set as a sort of mixed bag. If not for the Evlom, I would have praised it a bit more. And I do wish they had included 1 or 2 full-size products in here. I know it is a free gift and everything, but you know, these are all tons of minis. So, shopping suggestions, off we go. Kate Somerville, KX Concentrate Biomimicking Peptide Serum, that is £84. This has been on my wish list for a while. The reason is, my first choice is the Dr. Roebuck's Ningalu Farming Serum, that is £55. But ever since Caroline Hirons raved about this product on This Morning, it's been sold out bloody everywhere. So, including on Space NK. So I badly want to try this farming serum. There are no oils in there. That is supposedly very, very friendly towards acne-prone skins while, you know, minimizing imperfections. So I badly want to try that serum. But since it's out of stock, I'd like to try the Kate Somerville peptide serum instead. So yeah, that's on my wish list. Now the product that I recommend is a new face Fix Slime Smoothing Device, Microcurrent Toning Device. That is £150. Now, in order to see results with any kind of device, you need to use it regularly, consistently, all the bloody time. Not stop using it, you know. So, I have talked about a lot of beauty devices, the best beauty devices, my favorite ones, in a separate video, which I will link in the description box below, as well as here. So, do take a look at that. I actually like this better than the New Face Mini because, first of all, I have hydrocortisone skin, moon face, because of a lot of hydrocortisone. So if you take a look at my face, about a year ago, about May 2019, not May, all right, April or March 2019, it was a much slimmer face. And then I had a lot of hydrocortisone, so fat face. New Face doesn't help with that, so the mini that is. So I sort of stopped using it and instead concentrated on my under eye area with this one, first of all. Secondly, for the New Face mini, you need something like an aloe vera gel, which sort of clashes with your skincare routine. In this case, any under eye cream will do. Not eye serum, not good enough. Eye serum, there is stinging. You feel the microcurrent. Eye cream, good egg, no problem. So yeah, I prefer this device. But by all means, you know, if you don't have a moon face from hydrocortisone, I like the New Face. It sort of tightened things up a bit until I stopped using it owing to the hydrocortisone. So that's £150 and you won't need much else to get that threshold of 175. So you can get the free gift with purchase. Dr. Sebo is now on Space NK, and I got the Rose de Vie Hydrating Mask, £74, from the Selfridges Beauty collection for her last year. And this mask I like to leave on overnight. It is oil-free, nothing that will break me out, and nothing that has broken me out. It's a very nice, last step occlusive on 39 nights that keeps you from peeling. Another product that I highly, highly, highly recommend. I've done a video on this topic. Again, I will link that in the description box below. Allies of Skin Promise Keeper Blemish Facial. They also have a Bright Future Overnight Facial, which I really, really like. But there is a difference between the two. This is if you have active acne or if you are getting active acne. Promise Keeper Blemish Facial. If you're not getting acne, if you want all over retexturizing, overnight, better look the following morning, a supercharged treatment with a bunch of actives but doesn't burn your face off, go in for the overnight facial, the Bright Future Overnight Facial. Because I'm having acne right now, as you can see, I prefer the Promise Keeper Blemish Facial. Sarah Chapman Rapid Radiance Cleanse. This is £36. This I did buy it a few months ago, but you know, I didn't get around to trying it out until recently. It is basically a clay cleanser, but it packs a punch. It contains salicylic acid, vitamin C, and lactic acid. What Sarah Chapman suggests you do is leave it on all over your face for about 2 minutes when you're brushing your teeth, and then cleanse it off. That is what I do. So basically in the morning, put this mask on, unclean face, and then, you know, brush my teeth, then shower, cleanse my face with the Good Morning Low pH cleanser from Cosrx, and I'm done. So this or the Ren Clear Calm Clay Cleanser. The Ren is a lot less expensive, first of all. Secondly, there is, I think, 150 mils in the Ren, and you only get 100 mils for this one. So yeah, I kind of like the Ren more, and Ren contains lactic acid as well. Ren is also a very creamy clay cleanser. So yeah, you have two choices of creamy clay cleansers there. And fans of the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream rejoice. The Biggie Boom Boom for £72 is still in stock, so you get a mammoth pot there. Drunk Elephant has recently launched body and hair products, so yeah, if you're looking to try, this might be a good time. I'm afraid that I haven't tried, I don't have any thoughts on these products, I have no idea what they're all about. Elemis has also launched recently on Space NK, so fans of the brand, yeah, this is the time to stock up. I like the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing range. Apart from that, I haven't actually tried much Elemis, and it hasn't really, whatever else I've tried hasn't really worked for me. I also want to try the Herbivore Bakuchiol serum, that is £45. Unfortunately, like the Ningalu serum, it is always out of stock, because, you know, Bakuchiol is an ingredient that I've been eyeing for a while now. Dr. Dennis Gross has an alpha beta pore perfecting serum for those of us who are acne prone. I tried a sample and now I'm on the full size, because it is, have you used the Dr. Dennis Gross alpha beta pads? And have you thought, I wish this was a serum? That's what they've done. Only the serum is a lot milder than the extra strength pads. The serum is about as mild as the daily peel pads, I suppose. So those are my shopping suggestions. Please note that any or all of these may be out of stock at any given time. What are you getting? Will you be getting this gift with purchase? Are you excited by it? Are you looking forward to it? I know that a lot of us have been sort of hampered or, you know, kept from shopping during lockdown and are looking forward to shopping. But I feel that, you know, I don't know, I'd have liked to see a full size or two in here, and not Evelyn. Well, those are my thoughts on this gift with purchase. Do tell me yours in the comments below. I would love to know. Will you be getting this? If so, what are you buying? I haven't actually made up my mind about this gift with purchase. Will I get it? Only time will tell. Where to buy, I will link in the description box below. Affiliate link, I make, as I told you, a very minuscule commission if you shop through this link at no extra cost to you. Full disclosure here. They ship, as I told you, to most countries except where there are coronavirus restrictions. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.